Use cases and benefits of creating your NFTs. With NFTs, you can get more profit for your content and unlock a whole new world of possibilities. 1. Continuous engagement cycle. With your NFTs, you can continuously engage with your fans. 2. A new way of earning income. You make money when you sell your NFTs and also make money when your NFTs are resold. 3. New avenue of creativity for the content you're already making. NFTs let you have other ways of creating your work. 4. NFTs make you stand out. The moment you create an NFT for your digital asset, you stand out among your competitors who do not. 5. NFTs incentivize sales because your fans own a valuable, tradable asset. When people realize that your NFTs can be resold at a profit, they will want to buy them. 6. Access to a global market with NFT. When you create an NFT, it can be bought easily and transferred to anyone anywhere in the world. 7. Traceable path for the item you are making because every buyer's wallet address is captured. 8. You can now engage with lovers of your work and fans on various newer, deeper levels. The ones with different categories of your NFTs have levels of access to you. 9. NFTs make it impossible for your intellectual property to be stolen because you can track them with their unique identifiers. 10. NFTs are easily transferable. All you have to do is send it to another wallet address. 11. NFTs are redeemable, so you can have them sent back to you. 12. With NFTs, you can raise funds and finance your projects. This way you do not need any middleman, financier, or producer that unusually takes the lion's share of the profit. 13. NFTs can be created on different blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Zilliqa, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, etc. NFTs live on a blockchain. An NFT on any blockchain is 1. First of part of all code runs on the blockchain via a smart contract. Smart contracts can never be changed. It is your area of control that you can put on the blockchain. Within the smart contracts is where the NFTs live as unchangeable units of date. You're the only one that can interact with the blockchain and make more NFTs. 2. NFTs are assets that can be owned by anyone who has a wallet. Your address created the first NFT on the smart contract, therefore you can prove that you're the owner of the NFT. If you transfer to CryptoShegz, then the smart contract assigns ownership to me and keeps the record of the previous owner and so on. So if the asset has been sold or transferred to 1,000 people over time, the SC captures all the detail leading back to you. This all happens in a decentralized manner with no person, central body, or cabal that controls it. No way to stop it from running, except you program it into the blockchain. Smart contracts are a decentralized manner of executing code continuously forever. Your NFT is uniquely living in that smart contract. It has a unique value or identifier tied to it like a serial number. This is what makes NFTs super valuable because this means NFTs cannot be duplicated. NFTs cannot be replicated. NFTs cannot be forged. Every NFT is unique because your smart contract has an address, and you're the only one that has the address ever. With your smart contract on the NFT, you get a verifiable unique address that can be traced to you alone. If anyone tried to copy you and claim ownership of your work, everybody will see that. The serial number or token identifier makes it impossible to make the same token. Item 1 cannot have two versions. The uniqueness of an NFT gives it creative avenues of economic value. For instance, if you create NFTs for your concert tickets, then you can reward the 10 buyers. On the smart contract, you can say if anyone buys the first 110, then send them an extra, give him X. 11 to 50? Then give them Y. Interactions with NFT. Ownership is transferable. You can give it to someone. Directly sell it to them. Redeemable NFT. This is great for artists. You can redeem an NFT sold to a fan as a concert ticket. If you have bought this NFT for 1 year, I will give you access to any of my concerts. Just transfer the NFT back to me and tell me which of the concerts you want to attend, and I will send you a ticket. Or just tell them to show you the NFT at the door, and you will be let in. When you do all of this, it means you no longer have access to it. Your right of ownership is lost. So to recap, an NFT is an item of code that lives on the blockchain. Can be interacted with from anywhere in the world as long as you're on the network of that blockchain. Transferable to another person. Track owners. Ownership bragging rights. I am the only person in the world that owns token 9 on this contract. No one can duplicate your contract or that token. If they copy it, it will be on a different contract on a different address and token identifier. All of these can be tokenized with NFTs. Subscriptions. Access. Art. Music. Discount card. Insurance policy. Tweet. Meme. VIP card. Concert tickets. Add media spot. Virtual car. Virtual clothes/shoes. Virtual pets. Virtual land. Domain names. Tweets. In-game items. Photos. Game cards. 3D models. Identity. Jewelry. Physical assets.